Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language on eSound app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an eSound application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, eSound application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, the language that is chosen for me is English. So if you want to change it, simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find several options like premium, profile, theme, language, etc. So simply tap on the option language. Now you'll be led to the language interface. Right now system language, that is English, is selected. You'll be able to find several other languages over here. Simply tap on the language of your choice. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Do you want to change the language? Tap on the option OK. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the language will be changed. So that is how you change language on eSound app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.